Welcome to our adventures. We are Sharon and Joe. On this trip, we visit 4 states in New England. Join us as we try iconic foods in Boston, visit the home of the worst weather in the world, tour a mansion in Rhode Island, and visit a fish market in Maine. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to join us on our road trip. So we are currently in Portland, Maine, and we are at Shipyard Brewing Company, which is a pretty famous brewing company. They're known for their pumpkin beers, and we both got the same beer. We both got the smashed
pumpkin. It's not super sweet and malty flavored with a great pumpkin, but not overpowering.
Right. Yeah.
Our favorite.
I don't like the pumpkin beers that are so pumpkin-y flavor. Like, I just like a little bit of hint of pumpkin, and that's what this is. And it's strong, 9%.
Yeah, ours is called the smashed pumpkin.
Yeah.
You can get the regular one. I think it's like 6%.
Yeah,
5%.
definitely. But cheers. Our first brewing company that has
SeaDog Brewery has a bowling alley.
a bowling alley. So we decided to just give it a try. We're only gonna bowl for like a half hour, and I'm gonna win.
Nonsense.
We'll see who wins.
What do they call that? A gutter ball.
Gosh,
They call that a gutter ball.
kiss it.
No pressure. No pressure. Oh man, look at that.
What happened?
I'm an old man, that's what happened.
Spares and 1 strike. Joe just got a strike.
That's how we do it.
I'm still beating him though. So the score was 97 to 76, which is pretty low for both of us. We're usually better bowlers, but I'm gonna beat him again. Okay guys, you know I always get flustered when things happen. It stopped working in the middle of our game, and we had to like add scores in, and it still wasn't right. But I do have to say that Joe did kick my butt. We both did better this round, but he got 3 strikes this game, and he just got a spare. So this is the 10th round, and he gets to go one more time. And he already has 152, and I have 112. So he kicked my butt.
So tonight I'm preparing a Maine lobster for myself because Sharon doesn't eat shellfish, she has an allergy. I'm making her the Maine Red snapper hot dogs, which you can only get up there. Kind of specialty item. I'm cooking them in beer for her. I have the water on for the lobsters, salted water, and There's the lobsters waiting in the sink. And I also got the ballpark tailgaters, New England style hot dog rolls. Something you can only get up here. They're kind of different than the hot dog rolls that we used to get in Jersey. But gotta have them. So I'm gonna make the lobster with just butter on a roll, and I'm gonna make our hot dogs cooked in beer with mustard. Should be good. This is going to be an amazing dinner, guys. These lobsters are cooked. Now I'm going to have to clean them and prepare the meat with some drawn butter and put them on the bread. And we'll have our lobster rolls. Going to be good. Stay tuned. I'm going to prepare the lobsters. I already cooked them. I'm just going to clean them and take the meat out. You guys can probably see. Just have a bowl, a knife, and my lobsters. I'm just gonna clean them. Clean the tails. They're still kind of hot, actually. Clean the lobsters up. I have the meat and the bread ready to go. As you can see, it's just lobster meat and butter. Yes, I'm a purist when it comes to lobster rolls. I don't want any of that aioli stuff on mine. To each his own. Just lobster meat and butter, and then the bread with the butter. That's what you call legit lobster rolls, guys. I only do this about once a year, and every time I do it, it's worth it. It's amazing. Look at that. Oh, piled high with lobster. Here we go, guys. There's nothing like it. The sweetness of the lobster meat with the butter is all you need. And toasted rolls are, I'm lost for words. This is amazing. So fast forward, Sharon's Maine Snapper hot dogs are done. I'm gonna deliver them. Special delivery for the young lady.
Oh my.
Maine Snappers.
They're not red.
They're pink.
They're hot pink.
You gotta take a bite for the camera. Tell me what you think, honey. Are they good? Nice.
They taste like hot dogs.
Love you.
Love you. We hope you enjoyed our trip to Maine. Join us next week as we visit a castle in Rhode Island. Thanks so much for watching. We are so happy to have you along for the ride. Be sure to like and leave a comment below. See you next week.
Worst bowler in the world. I get the award for that.